Yeah, hi guys. So we're going to make a video of this.
유리창 가득 담긴 투명한 오후 노란빛 조각들을 조심스레 저어봐 탁하고 부딪히는 맑은 소리 끝에 어느새 피어오른 몽글몽글한 미소 한 모금 머금은 이 상큼한 떨림이 꼭 내게 다가오던 너의 첫인사 같아 입안 가득 번져가는 달콤한 이 기분 레모네이드 사랑 햇살을 녹여낸 듯한 빛깔 얼음 사이로 찰랑이는 내 마음 조각
Yeah, we'll be kind of and you have to go all the way on the video, guys. So that was yeah. Look at this video. I'm being balanced. Okay. I'm being balanced, guys. Yeah, this is being balanced. Yeah, but guys. Yeah. Oh. And none of robots taking on that. Look at it now. Mother. I think it's in my head. Last freedom. No. Yeah, I'll kill it. What? No. They couldn't have. I must have them by just take I'm looking for the funny. Yeah. Yeah. I think I'm a fan of it. Write it in the comments, guys. Let me know what I am. Yeah. Oh. This job for the conclusion. Is this job or is this freaking apparently? If this protest jobs are happy, right? Please drop in the comments. Just for the answer. Oh no. I was supposed to pick Sally, guys. This is. Oh.
Cheeseburger, please. Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. Can I have
I
cheeseburger,
know
please?
you
Cheeseburger.
cheeseburgers. I mean, like cheeseburgers.
Cheeseburger.
The pilot user. We're gonna be off the top soon. And then, oh guys, after top soon.
Can I have cheeseburger, please?
Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye.